So that float, oh, that float was holding up. Look at that. It took it on the drop, and that is what I was expecting. It was just being held up then. I just couldn't work out whether I'd just caught a leaf or not, but it was being held up by a carp. So it's quite possible they're up in the water, which is what I sort of thought might happen. So I'm going to ship that back out. He's a little bit angry, this one. Don't want to rush it. We're going to keep that pole down. Now there's one thing that I've seen a lot of people do lately, and they hold their pole right up in the, like this, right out of the water. Sometimes it can be like 15, 20 foot up, the pole's right out, and don't know why they're doing it. So a little tip, guys, just keep the pole down. It means that if that hook comes out, it's just the float will come back through the water, and the water will cushion the blow, and it won't just come up and hit your pole. I mean, obviously, once you get it closer to you, you're going to start to lift your pole. But while you're playing it, keep your pole down, and you're just going to be a lot safer. It's going to be a lot easier, a lot safer. You're not putting too much pressure on the fish. So, like I say, a little tip, keep the pole down. Right, let's see if we can get this one in. There we go. Oh, it just about goes in. And there we go. Proper unit. Proper unit. But let me see. Look at that. Absolutely proper unit. Lovely fish. Let's get him in.